We made it to Bali.
And first things first, let's go get a smoothie bowl. So we arrived to Bali quite late last night. We had a late flight from Jakarta. So we decided to stay close to the airport here in Bali. So we're in a place called Kuta, which is only about a 15-minute taxi last night, which was quite ideal because we didn't get into our hotel still until about 1 a.m. So now it's our first proper day here.
Yeah, so we are now walking alongside the Kuta beach and looking for a supermarket. And I think one is nearby. So we're trying to get some water because it's really hot.
Really hot, and flying is makes you so dehydrated. They're so big. Time for a little stroll on the beach now. The weather isn't the best. It's a little bit cloudy. It does look like it's going to rain as well, but that's all right.
Yeah. Also, we are now at the beach where a lot of surfers are, but it seems like it's not the time for the best waves right now.
No, I think they'd be really hard to surf on. We have no real big plans today, so we're just going to chill. We picked up some fruit in the shop, so we'll find a place to eat that. It's nice. The beach is so busy considering the weather isn't that good.
That's true.
It's nice. It's enjoyable. Okay, I actually thought it was going to be a complete fail from the start, so I was filming you, but you did pretty well.
Nice. Oh, very comfy.
Nice. This is what €24 got us here in Kuta, Bali. So we're staying at Hotel Terrace at Kuta, and we just went for the standard double room. So this is what it gets you. You get over here a little desk area, a TV. You do get a nice big window. We don't have the best view, but at least it brings in some natural light. Over here, you've got this cool little chair that you can sit in. And in here is the bathroom. It's a big bathroom, has everything you need, toilet, shower, sink. It does give you shampoo and body wash and also some soap and stuff, so that's nice. But back out here for the bed test. Oh, it was definitely a comfortable bed with comfortable pillows, so that was nice. We had a really nice time at the beach, just very, very chill, just watching all the surfers. Like, the surf, it was really crazy because the waves are crazy. But I think the tiredness, I think the tiredness really hit us because we went back to the hotel, chilled for a few hours, but now we're out exploring Kuta, now in the evening vibes.
Yeah, let's see what the vibe is here in the evening.
Definitely busier so far.
Yeah, for sure. And also, not gonna lie, but I'm feeling a little bit hungry.
Yes.
So definitely need to check out the restaurant too.
Loads of gluten-free options,
yeah.
So we're gonna try one today. Hope it's good.
Looks like a nice Italian place. Cheers.
Another day, another change of location.
Today we're checking out of our hotel in Kuta and moving on to Canggu.
Let's go. I was thinking Uniqlo bag.
So it okay if we...
So it's just about a 30-minute drive from Kuta to Canggu. So we have a couple of hours left here to explore. So we're gonna grab another smoothie bowl and a cup of coffee. Let's go. I think this is the biggest menu we've ever seen. And I mean, physically.
Is there something on the
That's
back?
so funny to me.
Yeah.
Yeah, there is. Lunch and dinner and breakfast.
Cheers.
And my left hand was literally shaking carrying that. It's got a big cup. Perfect. The food was super good, and now we've decided to get a foot massage because we have a bit of time before we need to check out, or before we need to leave to check into our new hotel. So there's so many options around here. We're going to try one that's well rated. After walking across Singapore, this will be really nice. I've never gotten a foot massage before.
Me neither. I only had a full body massage.
Yeah, we got
That's
one
insane.
before, yeah. I'm excited. So they're getting ready. This place is, for 30 minutes, it's 90,000 each. So it's about 180,000.
Yeah.
They're definitely cheaper, but this place has good reviews. But the minutes. We're done with our massage. It was very nice.
It was super nice, yeah.
But we're just gonna have to go again because it almost took longer to pay than the massage itself. So we're just gonna need to relax again. Yeah, it was nice.
Yeah, the massage was nice. The only thing was at the end, we couldn't pay with the card, or even though it says
That you can pay with card, yeah, from the start. So we couldn't do that. So then we had to
walk to an ATM, and then the ATM wouldn't work and all that.
yeah.
Then to another ATM, to the second ATM, and that one worked finally. So.
Yeah, after a couple of goes, yeah. So, I mean, fine in the end, not the biggest of deals, but also we were on a time crunch. That's why we only went for 30 minutes, not an hour, but we spent almost an hour there anyway. But that's all right. We got our first foot massage.
Yeah.
And now back to the hotel to collect our bags.
And then on to the next place.
Yeah, hopefully there's no traffic now.
Fail.
Nice try. Time to leave.
Thank you.
Thank
Bye.
you.
And it's gonna be a long ride. Not long. Yeah. Long, but just time-wise.
By
It's only
yeah.
17 kilometers, but
By motorbike, it's 8 kilometers, but by car, it's 18 kilometers or something. 17,
which is
18,
weird.
and 72 minutes.
yeah, I wouldn't be surprised if it even takes longer. We made it to our next hotel.
After,
That was almost 2 hours.
yeah, almost 2 hour drive for about 18 kilometers.
Yeah, crazy. And that's not even rush hour, I'd say.
No.
Because we left at 3.
Yeah.
Imagine like around 5 or 6.
Oh, let's check in.
Yeah.
Let's show you around our room here. So this is what €26 will get you in the Canggu area. And we'll start out here in our little balcony area where we have a nice little comfy outdoor seat. We do also have a fan that we can turn on if it's too hot. Let's go in. So this is the inside of our double room. It's quite a nice vibe, dark, moody. And in here is a bathroom, which is also really cool. Really cool sink. I like that a lot. Nice decoration. And in this way is your toilet and your shower, which is pretty standard. But again, I like the vibe in here. Back out here, we gotta test the bed. It is a ginormous bed, so I've high hopes. Oh. It's firm but comfortable. One of those kind of mattresses. I hope we sleep well here.
Okay, time to explore Canggu and also to grab something to eat.
Let's go.
What we've noticed, it is really busy around Bali. It is also high season, so we kind of knew what we can expect. But this is so far the quietest it has been since we're here. Let's see if it stays that way. Hello, hi. Good, how are you? Do you have a place for 2 people?
The dinner was absolutely amazing. The pizza and pasta were really nice from that restaurant, so we would definitely recommend. We have just been so excited that we've had gluten-free options because it's not always the case in all the countries we've been to so far. And sometimes our only option is rice, which is very nice, but this is a really nice change as well. So we're just enjoying having that option for now. But we are really full now, so we're going to head to bed so that we can get up bright and early and explore more of Canggu tomorrow.
So thanks for watching and see you in the next one.
Good night!